Hello students, welcome back in maths class. Students, in this video we are going to do something very interesting. Students, you have learned how to do the subtraction. Now you will learn the concept of the number 0, right? Our topic is the number 0. In this chapter, we will learn the concept of 0. What is 0? 0 means nothing or no object. If a number is subtracted from itself, the result is 0. None is written as 0. With this example, you can see in cage 1 there are 2 birds in it. Now in cage 2, one bird flew away and the cage has one bird in it. In cage 3, the second bird also flew away. Now the cage is empty because there is no bird in it. Therefore, there is no bird in the cage. Then we write 0. Now you will learn the difference of two equal numbers is 0. For example, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. 4 minus 4 equals to 0. 5 minus 5 equals to 0. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. 7 minus 7 equals to 0. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. And 10 minus 10 equals to 0. Now we will learn problem solving. Rohan has 4 chocolates. He ate all chocolates. How many chocolates remain with him? You have to write the statement Rohan has equals to 4 chocolates. He ate equals to 4 chocolate. It means he ate all chocolates. When you will do the subtraction, 4 minus 4 equals to, you will get the answer 0. Now your answer is 0 chocolate remain with him. Now we will learn the concept about addition properties of 0. Now let's see what happens when 0 is added to any number. Okay, there are 2 green apples in the first bowl and no green apples or 0 apples in the second bowl. How many green apples are there in both the bowl? So here 2 plus 0 equals to 2. Thus, there are 2 green apples in all. Now here you can see 0 butterfly plus 3 butterflies equals to 3 butterflies. So we write 0 plus 3 equals to 3. Subtraction properties of 0. Now we will learn how to do the subtraction with 0 number. When 0 is taken away from any number, the difference is the number itself. Suppose that from a bunch of 9 flowers, if we take away 0 flower, how many flowers will remain? Correct. The flowers will remain 9 itself. So here 9 minus 0 equals to 9. Thus there are 9 flowers in all. Now 5 fingers minus 0 fingers equals to what you will get? 5 fingers. So we will write 5 minus 0 equals to 5. Now students, you have understood the concept of number 0 and addition and subtraction properties of 0. That's all for today. Thank you.